Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to log out of WhatsApp. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And now just simply go ahead and go to settings and go to chats. And now just simply scroll down and go to chat backups. And now from here, just simply tap on Google account over here and just simply select an account or choose an account. So just simply choose where you are going to back it up. And now from here, just simply tap on backup over here, the green icon. And guys, WhatsApp doesn't have a log out feature. So first thing that you will do is you must back up your chat in order for you to save your messages. And now in order for you to log out, guys, it's just simply go ahead and hold the application over here and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK over here. And from there, you should be able to log out by simply uninstalling the application. And now just simply go ahead and go to Google Play Store again and just simply go for WhatsApp over here and install it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to clear out everything. And guys, this is the only way in order for you to log out into WhatsApp by uninstalling the application itself. Now, guys, if you have WhatsApp on your desktop, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here on the bottom left corner of the screen. And now just simply go ahead and go to the profile over here. And you should be able to see here log out. And you can just simply click on yes. And from there, you should be able to log out. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.